Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Mania. Well, we went bowling last night and believe it or not, I lost big time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I had to come up with a recipe with white rice. So Renee came up with the name and she's calling it spicy white rice casserole. As you can see, we've already got the white rice in our dish.
We sprayed it with some non-stick spray, and then this rice is cooked already. Birgit cooked it for us last night.
So thank you, Birgit.
Yes.
And Renee, when she sprayed the casserole dish, she sprayed it away from my nose. So thank you for doing that.
You're welcome. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
All right, what's first?
Do you see those mushrooms?
Yes, we've got 2 cans of mushrooms. Should I put them both in?
Yes.
All right, let me use this one.
And they're already pre-drained.
Yep, I drained them. I've got the stems and pieces here. Second can going in.
They're already cut that way in the can.
Yep. So we've got a nice mushroom layer.
Yep.
Looking good.
And
what is next?
Layer is the gandules, and Brianna likes those too.
Gandules verdes or green pigeon peas. Got 2 cans of those.
Yep, and both cans going in next.
Nice layer of that. All right. What would you like me to do next?
Now you just spread that real good.
Spread it around real good.
Real good.
All right, I think that looks good.
Next, we're gonna be right back because you see our next ingredient?
Some pepper jack Cheez-Its.
You see what we have to do next, right, Renee?
Yep, we're gonna put them in a Ziploc bag and we are going to crush them up, and then we'll be right back to show you the finished product.
Okay, so now we got the Cheez-Its ready. So now Renee is gonna put that layer on.
All right. Sprinkle a nice layer on the top.
And now some spilled, so. Oh, that's the, I thought it was.
Spread a nice layer on the top. That looks good.
Ooh, that looks good.
You can smell the pepper jack.
Yeah, you can.
All right.
Now our favorite part.
Yep. We've got some sharp cheddar cheese here. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit on the top. That should be good.
Yep.
And just spread a nice layer.
Now we're going to put it in the oven.
We're going to put a lid on that, right, Crystal?
Yep.
And put it in the oven. What did we preheat the oven to again?
375.
375. And how long do you think we should leave it in?
I'm going to go with, I'm going to say 35 minutes.
35 minutes. All right, and we'll see you when it's done and you can see the finished product.
Yep.
All right, so here it is out of the oven after the 35 minutes. And we're gonna cut a little piece out. All right, and there it is, all ready to eat. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania.